gosh, guys, I just got a package from Rami, and I'm gonna open it with my friend. Okay, so first, I got this almost like phone dimple thing. I don't know, but we're gonna open that. And then I have this pineapple like pocket. You can start opening these if you want. And then I got this like rainbow. Technical difficulties. Okay, and so I got this rainbow poppet. And then, well, I got this plastic square poppet. And then I got this brown poppet, whole poppet. And this octagon poppet or whatever. Oh my gosh, guys. And here's my big poppet I got. It's an octagon poppet. It's like a big one, rainbow. And then I got another one. I didn't even order another one. Okay, so I got two of those, I guess. I didn't even order another one. Okay, here's my dimple. So excited. Here's this like big poppet, I guess. I don't know what it is, but. And then here's my Among Us poppet. Here's my Among Us dimple.
Whoa, these are packed dimples.
Okay, and then I got my square poppet. And then I got these fake nails, but oh, and then I got this dimple digits. I'm so excited to open this. But that's so weird. Oh wait, they messed it up. So I literally got two of these octagon poppets, and I was supposed to get a square one instead. But that's okay. It doesn't really matter. Part 2 for fidget haul. Bye.